Paumi Singla legal reporting piba matamda case amagi process chatharingei manungda pau phongloidabani maduna miyamda lana chakhinabagi macham ohele haina Hindustan Times ki legal editor Utkaras ananna phongdokrai wafam sing asi High Court of Manipur amadi Manipur State Legal Services Authority MHLSA na sinduna challenges in legal reporting and the role of media haiba hiramda nongma oiba khanani nabagi thorom ama High Court of Manipur gi judge loans hold the pangtokpa thorom amada phongdokibani khanani nabada resource person na saru yakiba Utkaras ananna makha taradun hai Miyam da sing bachum ber report sing pina bo hona da paumi sing ki thaudang yamna chawi court na thadrok pa sero sing da paumi sing na public ta khangan dringe mamang da court ki mari leina ba sing ka paw phone ba matung da case ko timak cross check tor ba matung da kup na yeng na achum ba paw oire khangla ba matam da phone ga da bani mapung phadri ba case natraga process sa thari ba case ama miyam da khangan bada lana chatki ba yaba pibam leibana case mapung pharba matamda phonga dabani case ama loisen ba hona ba stage kaya ama lei paumi singna court ki oina seasonable language sing ase khangan ba thabak thorom kaya ama su pakhana ba sem sari masina paumi sing bo hena mayek sengna khangan ba amadi niyom chumna paw phongba ngamna ba pakhalak pa khongthang amani social media pari ba mioi sing da su miyam da sak tak pa yaba photo na traga video upload tawba yaba yadabagi matang da su munna khangfam thoi maduna tungda akai ba kaya ama lakane haiba su khangatabani Nakalama kaktangi wataraga report period of Nilona juvenile audible singi, casing lakpada miam the Kanganaba Yaba Yadabaki Matang the soap paumi sing the Sugaina Kananake.
You will have to report it very quickly. Perhaps TV also asks you the anchor there will want you to also give your opinion at the same time when you are reporting about a court order or a judgment, that what does it mean, how do you feel about it, how do you think about it. But that is not a court reporter's job. A court reporter will not go beyond what the court has ruled or declared. Let it be for the panel discussions in the evening. Let the anchor, let the people who are supposed to render their opinions on the issue give their opinion. We'll keep our reportage confined to what the court has said, exactly what the court has done, why it was done, how it was done, and how the court arrived at a decision. That is where we put a full stop to our reportage. We don't mix opinions with the court rulings. The other aspect of it would be that when we are reporting from courts, we should also be, in a way, we should be propagating legal education. Public legal education is very important. It's about letting people know of their rights, their entitlements. If the High Court has ruled about something in favor of people, it should reach people. We are the medium to let people know that what are the judicial institutions doing about them.